Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something that could seriously change your financial game in 2025. AI side hustles. Forget everything you thought you knew, because we're not talking about complex coding or needing a PhD. We're talking about real, accessible ways you can start earning extra income using AI right now. So, grab a notepad, because you're going to want to remember these. First up, one of the easiest ways to get started is with AI-powered content creation. Think about it. Every business needs blog posts, social media updates, and email newsletters. Tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Copy. AI can help you produce high-quality written content in a fraction of the time. You can offer your services as a freelance writer or social media manager on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. The trick isn't just generating text. It's about learning how to craft the perfect prompts and then adding your human touch to edit and refine the output. This combination of AI efficiency and human creativity is what clients are willing to pay top dollar for. You're not just a writer, you're an AI-assisted content strategist. Next, let's talk about the visual side of things. AI image generation is exploding. Tools like Midjourney, DALL-E 3, and Stable Diffusion can create stunning, professional-grade images from a simple text description. So, how do you monetize this? Well, you could design custom logos for small businesses. You could create unique digital art and sell it as prints on Etsy. You could even offer services creating custom social media graphics or presentation slides for creators and companies. The demand for unique visuals is endless. And with it, you don't need to be a traditionally trained graphic designer to meet that demand. Your imagination is literally your only limit. Now, for those of you who are a bit more analytical, let's explore AI-powered data services. This sounds intimidating, but it's simpler than you think. Many small businesses are sitting on a goldmine of customer data but have no idea how to interpret it. You can use beginner-friendly AI tools to help them analyze sales trends, understand customer behavior, or even predict which products will be popular next season. You could offer a service where you create simple, easy-to-understand reports that give these businesses actionable insights. You're essentially acting as a freelance data consultant, helping them make smarter decisions without them needing to hire a full-time analyst. It's a high-value service that many are desperate for. Another incredible opportunity is creating and managing AI. Every website, from your local pizza place to online stores, can benefit from a chatbot that answers common customer questions, books appointments, or guides users through a sale. Platforms like Chatful or MiniChat have made building these bots incredibly simple, often with no coding required. You can set up a service where you design, implement, and maintain these custom chatbots for businesses. This creates a recurring revenue stream, as businesses will often pay a monthly fee for you to manage and optimize the bot's performance. You're not just saving them time, you're improving their customer service and boosting their sales 24/7. Finally, let's look at a really creative one. AI voiceover and video creation. The demand for video content is insane, but production can be expensive and time-consuming. Using AI tools like Synthesia for video avatars or 11 Labs for realistic voiceovers, you can create professional-quality promotional videos, training materials, or social media clips for clients. At a fraction of the traditional cost, you can script, produce, and edit entire videos without ever picking up a camera. This is a massive opportunity to undercut traditional video production agencies and offer a fast, affordable alternative to businesses on a budget. So there you have it, 5 powerful AI side hustles you can start exploring for 2025. The key is to pick one, learn the tools inside and out, and then start marketing your skills. The future is here, and it's full of opportunity for those willing to adapt. Which one of these ideas are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.